Here I have myPhone Go, and let me show you how to accomplish the hard reset operation on that device by using the hardware keys method. Let me also show you how to bypass, remove pattern, password or other screen lock method on the following smartphone. At the very beginning, let's start by pressing the power key. Let's choose power off. Wait until your device will be completely switched off, and afterwards you need to use the following combination of keys: power key and volume up. So let's hold down together these two keys, power key and volume up. Keep holding both keys. Release them as soon as myPhone logo pops up on the screen, and this is the Android no command logo. So now we have to start holding power key, and while holding power, press volume up once. And this is the Android system recovery mode. Here you can navigate by using both volume keys and confirm options by pressing power key. So let's scroll down to highlight wipe data factory reset and press power key to confirm it. Then scroll down again to select yes, delete all user data, and press power button to choose it. The device is whipping data and formatting stuff. Let's just wait until the restoring will be done, and now all you have to do is simply press power key in order to reboot system now. The device is restarting and rebooting. Let's just wait until the whole operation will be completed. Do not interrupt while the process is running. The first startup process after the factory reset may take a little bit longer than usual one, so you have to be patient. Excellent, as you can see, the welcome panel just pops up, so it means that the hard reset operation is done. As you may also notice, there is no pattern, password or pin protection, so you can start easily activate your device. You can also check out how to easily activate your phone by using our other videos. Thank you for watching, please subscribe our channel and leave thumbs up under the video.